When you're craving a grilled steak and don't have access to a great outdoor grill, your thoughts may turn to an indoor grill. These countertop appliances can either have wide, open grates like outdoor grills, or covers that press down on a burger or a chicken breast, cooking both sides at once. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Enjoy perfectly grilled and healthy food for your family and friends all year long with the Indoor OptiGrill Plus XL. It supports unique thickness measurement technology for 9 automatic programs. You can enjoy perfect grilling results with the temperature, and the cooking time is automatically adjusted to your favorite food. With 3 additional settings and a 33% larger cooking surface than the classic OptiGrill. The indicator light and the audible beep tell you where your food stands in the cooking process. The manual modes with adjustable temperature give your fruits, vegetables, or any other personal recipes the delicious and unique taste of grilled food. With removable plates inclined at 7 degrees, fat can quickly run off. Plus, the non-stick aluminum plates and the drip tray are removable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. Next up on the list, we have the Secura Smokeless Indoor Grill. It has a reversible, non-stick cooking plate measuring 15.5 by 11.5 inches and about 180 square inches. A super large cooking surface saves you cooking time and allows easy food movement around while you grill or barbecue. Its removable heavy-duty tri-ply cooking plate comes with the heating element sandwiched between the grill plate and the griddle plate. The grill and griddle 2-in-1 saves your cabinet space. It has a removable glass lid that prevents splatter and retains heat while you barbecue. The grease channels on this grill help drain excess oils and fats away from your food and collect in the drip tray. Additionally, this drip tray is removable and disassembles easily for cleaning. The Philips HD637194 Smokeless Indoor Grill was developed so you can cook amazingly grilled food indoors. The drip tray underneath remains cool, so there is virtually no smoke. It comes with advanced infrared technology, and individual reflectors guide heat to the indoor grill's cooking grid for delicious, evenly grilled food. This indoor grill quickly heats up to a consistent 446 degrees Fahrenheit, the optimal temperature for cooking and searing your favorite meat, poultry, and fish, leaving it juicy and tender on the inside. The electric grill ensures food is not cooked into its grease, and the fat is separated during grilling. The indoor grill sets up in 1 minute. Spend more time preparing and less on prep. Besides, it uses powerful 1,660 watts for cooking and non-slip feet to ensure your electric grill stays in place. Up next on the list, we have the George Foreman GFO 240S Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. It offers 240 square inches of circular grilling surface that lets you make over 15 servings for large groups of people. The grill slides on and off the sturdy stand to quickly go from patio to countertop. Its plug-in temperature control probe has a simple dial to adjust the grill's heat for precision cooking with various foods. It has a durable non-stick surface that can be wiped down after use for fast and easy cleanup. Add in the durable non-stick coating and the patented fat-removing slope, and you've got the power to create large, tasty portions of everyone's favorites with simple cleanup to boot. Enjoy perfectly grilled meats and veggies with the Hamilton Beach 25361 Searing Grill. With a high searing temperature that locks in juices and an adjustable temperature knob to customize grilling, you're sure to have delicious results every time. Its indicator lights let you know when your grill is on and ready for use. It also comes with an extra large drip tray to catch excess juice or grease. It uses a removable non-stick plate and drip tray for easy dishwasher cleanup. The high heat searing temperature locks in juices and flavor, giving your meat better taste, texture, and appearance. Also, the adjustable temperature control lets you complete the cooking process without worrying about overcooking on too high heat. The drip pan is large enough to capture any juices that escape. Enjoy grilled steaks, ribs, pork barbecue, and burgers all year round with the all-new Power XL Smokeless Electric Indoor Removable Grill. It comes with airflow technology along with smoke capture fan, removes hot, smoky air, and returns clean filtered air to keep it out of your home. This grill is designed for perfect restaurant-style diamond-shaped grill marks, even heat distribution, and easier cleanup. The Ceramatech non-stick coating provides instant food release using little to no oil. It has a multi-purpose non-stick cooking surface, perfect for bacon and eggs, pancakes, crepes, grilled sandwiches, and much more. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more exciting videos from our channel.